Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through a complete guide on how to delete emails in Outlook, step by step. Whether you're using Outlook for work or personal emails, keeping your inbox clean is key to staying organized and boosting productivity. So let's jump right into it. First, open any web browser like Chrome or Edge and go to the official Microsoft Outlook login page. If you're unsure of the exact link, simply type Outlook login into your search bar and it should appear right at the top of the results. Click on that to get started. Once you're on the login page, click Sign In. Enter your Outlook email address carefully, then hit Next. Now type your password to log in. Pro tip: avoid saving your login details if you're on a public or shared device, just to keep your account secure. After signing in, Outlook may ask if you want to stay signed in. Choose No. If you're on a public computer, then head over to the mail section. This will open your inbox where all your emails are listed. Now, scroll through your inbox or use the search bar at the top. You can type in keywords, a subject, or even the sender's name to quickly find the email you want to remove. Once you found it, select it by clicking on it or checking the box beside it. Next, click the trash can icon. That's your delete button. This will instantly move the email to your deleted items or trash folder. And don't worry, it's not gone forever just yet. If you ever delete something by mistake, you can easily restore it from that folder before it's permanently removed. And that's it. Deleting emails in Outlook is super simple once you know the steps. Regularly clearing out old or unnecessary messages helps reduce clutter, keeps your inbox organized, and even improves Outlook's performance. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.